Hello guys, welcome to Solid Planet. My name is Masoud Pourghavam and I'm the student of mechanical engineering. In this video, we are going to make a rendering from a screwdriver. In this video, which you can see on the screen, we designed this screwdriver, which we are gonna to make a rendering from that in this video. So if you want to know how we designed this 3D model by SolidWorks 2021, you can watch that video. I will put the link in description below. Before we start, I have to say that in the previous video, we made a rendering of a car and we briefly explained the basics of KeyShot in that video. So you can watch it before we start. And I suggest you to do that because we explained the basics of KeyShot in that video and we are not gonna do that again. So just let's start and just go to File menu and hit Import and select your file. Mine is a step file and as I said, it is exported by SolidWorks 2021. Alright, open the Library and Project tab, go to Materials, and in the metal section, drag and drop an iron metal to the shank and blade of your screwdriver. And in plastics, drag and drop a clear red plastic to the handle of your screwdriver. Alright, go to Environments and drag and drop 2 panels titled 4K background to the scene. So if we go to Project tab under the material, you will see that we have 2 basic materials assigned to our 2 parts. Okay, let's just close the Library and Project tabs and go to Render Settings. I always put the resolution on 1920 pixels. And here my rendering format is PNG. You can check this to make the background transparent. And select the folder and click on Render. Hit the green tick to save the image, and as you see, this is our render model with a transparent background. So I uncheck this box to show you how it looks without a transparent background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video and good luck.